Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2014 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.